Hello, welcome to my channel once again. And in today's tutorial, we're going to look at how we're going to work with a CSV file, that is comma separated values. So in this scenario, we're going to assume that a client sends us a data set to work on, and when the data set came in, it was in a comma separated format. So you see that all the data is opened in just cell A, but then it contains different sets of data sets or data. So how do we split this data to be able to get each column in a separate cell? So if you can see, the records are only in cell A, but then we want to split them into individual cells. So how do we do that as a data analyst? And one of the work or one of the operations of a data analyst is data cleaning. So when you get a data of this kind, you need to be able to split it into individual cells before you start analyzing it. So that's what we're going to do today. So Excel has a way of handling this stuff, and it's part of data transformation. So there is a tool under data which is called text to columns. So what text to column does is it splits uh, records or data into individual cells depending on the delimiter that separates them. So when you look at this data, you can see that it's separated by semicolons. So delimiters are just special characters that mostly separate commas, separated values or data in a CSV format. So all that we need to do is we just have to select the entire column A. Then under data, we click on text to column. So once you click on text to column, you get this text to column wizard. And by default, delimited is selected. And as I said, this data is separated by semicolon. So we will leave it at delimited. Then you go to next. Then this is where you choose the specific, special character that separates each record, and it's semicolon. So I'll just select semicolon. Once you select semicolon, you see the data is split for you to see how the output will be. So all that you need to do is go to next, then finish. So Excel will split the data into different cells. Okay. So now this is what we have. Let me just close it a bit. Okay. So now each data set is loaded into, or each record is loaded into a separate column. Okay. So basically this is how you can extract or you can split comma separated values that are stored in just one cell. Okay, so once we are done, we can do our analysis and draw the necessary insights that we want to draw from this data set. Thank you for watching, and please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please click on the notification button so that anytime that we upload new videos, you get notification. And also don't forget to share this channel for others to also benefit. Thanks once again, and see you in the next episode or in the next tutorial.